How to change aspect ratio in CapCut for TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change the aspect ratio for your video in CapCut for TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, open up your Canva and import the video. After you've imported the video, what you can then do is simply select the video, and there you'll find this option that says your let me just pause this. Okay, so there you'll find an option that will let you change your aspect ratio from here. So select your video. So this is the video that I want. Then tap on this aspect ratio. Now for TikTok, the most popular aspect ratio is this one right here. That is 9:16, and I'm already on that. So I can just tap on this. This is what the original should look like. Tap on the ratio and go to 9:16, and this is what it should look like. Then again, if you want to make sure that your video is full screen, you can simply drag your video like this and make it fit the frame. Or not, if or not, it's completely up to you. And also there is an option for social media preview on your CapCut itself. So tap on TikTok after you tap on that option, and there you can see what it will look like on a TikTok. And that is how you can set or change your ratio for TikTok on your CapCut. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.